every single person and soul on earth and everywhere in the entire universe. And I love that we're all unique and individual, and we're all very precious, special and important. We really are. And everyone makes mistakes, and it's okay. Let's just be gentle and compassionate on each other and ourselves. There's a lovely quote I came across lately, and it said, when compassion is greater than our ego, harmony is the result. Just remember that. That's a powerful quotation. Because our ego comes in little ways and forms, needing, demanding or wanting to be heard, needing, demanding and wanting to have our way. And that makes sense. We don't abandon ourselves for too long, but sometimes our ego is too stressed or forceful in it, wanting what it wants, the way it wants, when it wants. And that can be very non-compassionate for someone else who's in greater need or suffering. So, yeah, a lot of inner work and integration, deep spiritual work and emotional maturity. Hope this video helps, my friends. It's nice to be back on Facebook again after a 3-day ban. I missed making my videos. I haven't made a video except for barefoot running in a long time. And I hope you have a beautiful day. So get out in nature. If you can, do a bit of barefoot walking or running in nature. Go to the beach, listen to the waves. It's very meditative. See if you can walk or skip or jump on a few little boulders if you feel safe and comfortable doing that. The wave breakers. It's very safe where I do it, so as long as you're safe. Just do whatever you find joyful and brings you bliss. That's really what I mean. Do it. And if that means dancing or whatever it is, just remember, nature has very high vibes. It really has. The healing power of nature is never to be underestimated. You're connecting with Gaia, a huge, colossal creature in consciousness. And then you're connecting with the sun, another massive, dramatically beautiful, powerful creature of consciousness, high consciousness. So connect with the elements. And it feels really good to move your body too, because that's very important and natural to move your body, to circulate your blood and your lungs. And yeah, I'll talk to you again another time. Thanks for tuning in. Big love and respect to you and your individual path. Just remember, like all plants and all people, we all have an individual expression, look, personality and purpose. We all have a different path. So let us not judge each other or cast judgment. We don't need to compare ourselves to how we're doing compared to others, because we all have a totally different path. Our path will look very and even totally different than another person's path. The same with the timing of how we unfold, get challenged and progress and evolve. It's okay, my friends, it's okay. We're okay and others are okay. And this is what I'm learning in my life right now. So I'm learning not to press judgment on another, my partner, and to be as unconditionally loving and gentle as I can. My beautiful partner as much as possible. And I'm also learning how to find balance and meet my needs also, and do what brings me happiness, joy and high feelings like bliss and joy, you know. So I'll talk to you again. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. And if you need any help with anything I mentioned in this video, love to be of help. This is what I do. I do coaching. I have books coming. I have a video course coming. I have lots of already existing free playlist gifts that you can just look at on my channel wall on YouTube and Odyssey. And if you need any help one-to-one on inner healing, inner child healing, emotional integration, pain body work, shadow work, healing from past trauma, relationship communication, relationship challenges overall, those close to you. Hi Melissa, I think you're watching. Thanks for all watching. Hi Alan, everybody else. I'll talk to you again. Lots of love, blessings and love from the Most High. You are the Most High and so are we all. So let us love and respect and revere everything and everybody deep down from the bottom of our hearts and the top of our hearts as well, metaphorically speaking.